Hello people, so today I am going to tell you guys about, or more like explain you guys about indices and exponents. If you do not know indices and exponents, it's that like a small thing on top of the normal number usually, or integer. So for example, this 3, and you can see here is a 2, right? This one is called an index, and if it's 2, it means it's 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. And if it's 3 to the power of, that's how you read it, to the power of 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And also one other thing, this is like the basic, so this is called the indice, and to like read this, for example, it's to the power of. For example, if it's 4 and 2, so it's 4 to the power of 2. And another thing is this, the square root. If like you've ever seen this, then it is the opposite of this. So for example, it's a 4, which means if it's a square root, it's 4 to the power of half. So you need to find what is multiplied with what, which becomes 2. So as we all know, 2 times 2 is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Another example is if it's there is 3 in front, so it's called a cube root if there's a 3 in front, and this is the same as 27 to the power of 1/3. So we need to find what number, if you multiply 3 times like by itself. So for example, 5 times 5 times 5 becomes 27, and from here, from above, we know that it's 3. So 27 to the power of 1/3, or cube root of 27 is 3. So this is how indices and exponents work. So and for example, let me give you another example. 4 to the power of 4. So it's 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by another 4 and multiplied by another 4. So the answer would be 16 times 4 times 4. So it's 64 times 4, which is 256. And for another example of this, this one, the roots, it's let me give you another number, 225. Oh yeah, and you can also find this out by using the prime factorization method. So for example, 225, let me give space first. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so for example, 225, we can use the prime factorization method. So it's 3, then 75, then another 3, 25, so it's 5 and 5, and it means that it's square root of 3 squared multiplied by 5 squared. And if it's square root, then it means if it's squared, then it becomes normal, which means it's 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. Well, that's all I can say for exponents and indices. Thank you, guys.